Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with this company, and listen, I'm so excited. Like, look at the packaging, check out the packaging. Like, no, honestly, just because I wanted to show you guys when it was perfectly closed and everything, I didn't even pull it. So I'm literally about to unbox this completely with you guys. Okay, I love the little ribbon and the whole presentation. It's really nice. As you can see, the company is Rosehair. So Rosehair, I go on with a bag of things. It gives me elegance, like little designs and then the little red ribbon, and like, excuse my nails because it doesn't go with this at all. But I'm gonna be doing my nails soon, so forgive me for all this crooked look. It has their website listed on the box, www.rosehair.com, and they listed their social media and stuff. So let's go ahead and pull this. Let's go ahead and get inside. So this is how it opens. Okay, I really love their presentation. I'm not even like look at this. I love it. It's a drawstring bag, but they put a little bit of time in there, like with their whole logo and everything. It just looks nice. Like, it make you want to like just keep the stuff, you know. All right, so before we jump into the hair, because that's obviously the hair, we have a pouch here, and you guys know how much I love when I get little goodies in the packages. So got this pouch. Will look so good. So I got a pair of lash inside. It's mink 3D lashes. All right, so we got that. It's a pretty simple style too. Pretty simple, you know. I got one of these. I got like a million of these, and I don't get tired of getting them. So I have that. Okay. Oh my gosh, they gave me this. Like, what? I can use this to cut off my lace, like the excess lace. No man, Rosehair go out with a bag of things. Like, I'm so excited. Literally, I'm so excited. Like, they got me a scrunchie. They sent me a scrunchie. And you guys, I don't know if they have the same problem with me, but no matter how much of them hear me have, boy, when it comes to time for me use them, I can never find one. But yeah, I got one more of these clips, and these clips are so much better than the regular ones. Like, they have so much, like a better hole, like a more sturdy hole. So that's, and then, oh, I got this clip, a little bedazzled clip that says Rose. No man, Rosehair not going with Wally. I love it. And then I got a tweezer. I got a pair of tweezer. Like, I don't know. I on probably say, but look for like a small something that was so I go for like, I don't understand it because something here bring my joy. Like, it bring me such joy. I love that. So that's all that's in this little pouch. Nothing else is in there. Let me go ahead and drop these back. We still have more things in the box and them. Something like, you know, I like them. I love them something there. I love them so there. So I got a wig cap. Can't send a wig package and don't put no wig cap in there. That just don't sit right with me, you know. Then I got a tail comb, a nice Tony and Guy carbon anti-static comb, tail comb. So I love this. Like, this nail is so crooked. And then lastly, we got a pamphlet on the inside, and it says Rosehair, and basically it's just showing you guys like different wigs and stuff. So as you guys can see, working with 20 inches today, as it was peeping through right there. Okay, this looks pretty good. Okay, oh, this is a 360 wig, by the way, guys. A number one thing I noticed as I took this out the packaging is how luscious and just flowy it is. I love that. The information card was on the inside here, so it's telling you about the wig and stuff. So as I said, this is a 360 wig. Okay, it's 180% in density. Alright, it's a light brown color for the lace. As you can see, it's a straight texture, and it's a medium cap size, no parts, completely free parts. You can part it wherever you please. It's a pre-plucked hairline. It doesn't have baby hairs. It's a 1B color, and the knots did not come bleached actually, so you'd have to go in and bleach this one yourself if you wish to do so. Light brown lace, I will go around it and I'll be tinting the lace for today. I really wish that it was like transparent lace, oh my gosh, but I love the fact that it was at least light brown lace. But it's pre-plucked, so you guys know what I say about that. But I might go in at some parts and pluck it a little bit more based on how it looks here. In some areas I feel like I'd like to pluck it some more, but I'm not going to go all the way, but I'm going to apply it first and then kind of eyeball it. But this is how it looks. It has 4 combs on the inside, you know, and an adjustable strap. I mean, if you want your wig to lay flatter, I recommend like taking out the combs. But if you're the person that likes to throw on and go, then combs are very essential to help with security. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump on into the application of this. So let's go. This is how it looks on, and sides need to be cut down a little bit. I'm gonna straighten this on my head as well. If you notice, I've been kind of like styling the wigs, even though since recently I've been doing so much curly wigs, so I felt like, you know, doing a straight wig would really help to break things up.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, well, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings, cause shawty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Back with my little elastic band, because you see through the lace here, it's just kind of like, it's not like Swiss or transparent. You need to, like, I am making sure that I do the most to make it lay as flat as possible. So before I cut off the lace, I'm gonna put on my little elastic band. So just a few minutes, and then I'll start cutting it away. But this just helps with melting it down more. I think I told you guys already, but I always kind of cut the lace, the extra lace off in sections, because it's way easier that way. You can be a little bit more precise with what you're doing. And as I go along in those small sections, if you know, sometimes they cut off the excess lace, you have a little piece lifting, I just use my button to tap it in and just go over the area with the blow dryer, and it's much easier that way. So I'm going to test out the little razor that they sent. Ooh, super sharp. This really helps with not cutting it into a straight line. You really don't want to do that when you're applying a wig, because it's just going to be way too easy to detect. So that's another little hack. This really helps to give that zigzag look. So this is what I'm talking about. The little pieces that might look like they're lifting, just over it with a bit of your got to be, and just kind of blow dry that, as opposed to cutting off everything all at once. I feel like I'm really going to just stick to a center part today. That's the vibe I'm getting. That's really the vibe I'm getting. So I'm just like gonna make some swoops. And I definitely need to go in and like plug this. is so dense. So
I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed. I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up. I stay up.
and in sections, I'm going to form my suits. I won't do it all at once, just so that things can just be easier with laying it. Take my lotta body foaming mousse. You see, I took out just enough to give it that graduation I was looking for. So I'll just continue to do that for like my next swoop. We're minimalistic, so I'm gonna actually go in with my elastic band now and leave it on there for like 10-15 minutes. But now that people, I've been pressuring this elastic band so much, it's worn out, and I have more now. When you get used to using one thing for so long, like you don't even care about anything else. Those does sound good to me. Okay, so that's just gonna sit there, and now I'm gonna go in. And guys, remember this is a 360, so you can always go ahead and put it up in a nice little ponytail. So first I'm gonna focus on laying the roots with my hot comb, and I'm gonna get my hair wax. Now I get a lot of questions as to where I get my hair wax from. I have multiple of these from just different companies over time that I've got the wigs from. So yeah.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up. I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings, cause shawty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. At 12, gon' find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch I look, I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand in my pudding. Put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poopy, yo, bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go fuck with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh, young and trapping out the bando. From the ceiling fan to the damn floor. Tryna stack my money up, cause that's the only way we can go. Tell my mama that I'm okay. See the money coming through the doorway. Got a bad bitch with a lot of money, that's foreplay. Okay.
Guys, this hair is like butter, okay? It's like butter. Okay, butter, not butter, butter. Like, I get so excited when I get a wig, a straight wig, and it's this flowy, it's this silky, like, it's lit. If you're a straight texture kind of girl and you love, like, that's just your texture, that's your go-to texture, I definitely recommend this wig. It's because it's 360, perfect for the summertime. You can go ahead and, you know, put it up in a bun. As you guys heard, I said, yes, you can put this up in a bun as well because it's a 360. So, like, I'll wear this to the gym tomorrow. So I put it up in a bun. You just put it up in a regular ponytail. And then, I literally am going to take the hair to like halfway. And just push it through and do that. Isn't that cute, guys? Kind of little like messy vibe. Anything you like, you know, go ahead and feel free to. Rosehair, you did it for me. You did it for me. Like, and I'm talking thoroughly. Packaging, presentation, hair quality, every single thing was A+ for me. I love this. It is just beautiful. All specifications to this wig down below, so you guys can go ahead, check it out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. That's pretty much it. Like, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't have anything else to report in this video. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video informative, you know. Don't forget to drop your suggestions for videos in general in my comment section. And that's it for now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. As you know, I've been coming in back with my challenges and stuff. So you can just go ahead and drop your suggestions for what you'd like to see down below in my comment section. And thank you guys again for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and be open a nice, clean settle.
Get hit in my section at 12, gon' find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch I look, I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand in my put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poop, your bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh, young and trapping out the bando, from the ceiling fan to the damn floor, tryna stack my money.